What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed, and if your phone feels like it's running through mud, freezing, lagging, crashing, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your phone faster step by step. No tech skills needed. And before we dive in, if this trick works for you, drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe so you never miss a fix. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing, open your settings. You will usually spot it as a little gear icon on your home screen. And if you can't find it, no worries, just swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon in the corner. Once you're in settings, scroll all the way down in the bottom until you see developer options. Now, if that option isn't showing up for you, then don't worry, here's how to unlock it. Tap on About Phone, then look for software information and tap it. If you don't have software information, then you will see the build number directly right here. Once you find build number, tap on it 5 times in a row and then enter your passcode when it asks you. You will see a little message pop up at the bottom of your screen. That means you have just unlocked developer mode. Congratulations! Now, go back to the main settings screen and developer options will now be waiting for you. Tap into developer options and scroll down until you find these 3 settings: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. By default, they're all set to 1x. Tap each one and switch them to animation off. That's it. What you're doing here is turning off all the visual animations your phone runs in the background, and trust me, your phone is going to feel like a completely new or a different device. Snappier, faster, and more responsive. Now, here are 2 bonus tips while you're at it. First, get in the habit of closing all your background apps regularly. All those open apps are quietly eating up your memory. Close them all. Second, restart your phone. Power it off completely, wait about 20 seconds, and then turn it back on. Simple but seriously effective. Between these 3 methods, killing animations, closing background apps, and restarting, your phone should feel noticeably faster. I really hope this video helped you out today. If it did, then let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to watch the video that I created in which I fixed your phone's privacy and performance, so make sure you watch that. Take care, and I'll see you soon.